Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, I have explained lesson number 2.4. The chapter name is Story Time. Unity is Strength. So today I take lesson number 2.4 exercise. Students, you should note it down. Okay. A. Answer the following. Question number 1. Why was the old man worried? Why was the old man worried? बूढ़ा आदमी परेशान क्यों था? Answer is the old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. उसके चारों भी बेटे हमेशा लड़ाई करते थे, इसलिए बूढ़ा आदमी परेशान था. Question number 2. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the stick? तब क्या हुआ जब उसके बेटे बंडल को, जो छड़ी वाला बंडल था, उसे तोड़ने की कोशिश किए? तब क्या हुआ था? Answer is the bundle of sticks would not break. क्योंकि बंडल में थी स्टिक्स, इसलिए वो टूटी नहीं थी. Question number 3. What happened with the single stick? Answer is the single stick broke very quickly. एक सिंगल छड़ी उसने जब चारों बेटे को दिया तो छड़ी आसानी से टूट गई. Question number 4. What lesson did the sons learn? Answer is the sons learned the lesson united we stand, divided we fall. Question number B. Arrange the following words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. Question number 1. ये सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं, इसे हमें अरेंज करना है. Worried man was old. अब हम इसे अरेंज करेंगे तो the old man was worried. Question number 2. Everything for fight they would. अब हमें इसको अरेंज करना है. They would fight for everything. Third, stick of the bundle did break not. Answer is the bundle of stick did not break. Question number 4. Easily broken stick a single is. Answer is a single stick is easily broken. 5. Stand divided for united we. अब हम इसको अरेंज करेंगे. United we stand, divided we fall. Find the small words hidden in the big word. Big word क्या है? Everything है, friendship है, separated, together. अब इसमें से हमें वर्ड्स को फाइंड करना है, जो वर्ड्स छुपे हुए हैं. Everything, everything का every, thin, very and thing. अब हम फ्रेंडशिप में से हिडन वर्ड को लिखेंगे. फ्रेंडशिप, फ्रेंड, ENDN, शिप, SHIP, शिप, SEND, stand. सेपरेटेड, सेपरेटेड में से हम लिखेंगे ARE, आर. रेड, रेट, रेटेड. टुगेदर, टू, गेट, देयर, हर. Question number D. Read the following sentence. Change the color words with new words to form a new sentence. A. The old man was worried. अब हमें यहाँ पर इसके अपोजिट में लिखना है, जो कलर किए हुए वर्ड है उसको. The young woman was happy. Question number 2. He took the bundle and tried to break it. अब हमें यहाँ इसका आंसर लिखना है. She took the tiffin and tried to open it. Question number 3. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. Answer is an old man lived with his 4 daughters in a city. Question number 4. This time the brothers learned a lesson. This time the sister learned a poem. He gave them a small stick. She gave them big balloons. A. Write the words that tell us something about the word at the center. सेंटर में लिखा हुआ है मैन. अब हमें इस मैन पे से वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. स्मार्ट मैन, ओल्ड मैन, यंग मैन, हैंडसम मैन, जेंटल मैन. यहाँ बीच में लिखा हुआ है ट्री. ट्री से हम बनाएंगे वर्ड ग्रीन ट्री, शॉर्ट ट्री, लीफ ट्री, रूट्स ट्री, बिग ट्री. यहाँ बीच में लिखा है सेंटर में वर्ड फ्लावर्स. ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर, रोज फ्लावर, lovely flower, bright flower, pink flower. Look and say. Worried, sticks, united, curdling, agree, bundle, surprised, unbroken, impossible, friendship, united. Thank you so much for hearing me.